How to draw a dog!
Let's start with a pencil. First we'll draw a square where his head will go. And then a smaller square where his snout will go. And an even smaller square for his nose. And then we need 2 lines to connect the snout to his head. We're going to do a diagonal rectangle for the left ear. And another one for the right ear. Then we'll add 2 little circles for the eyes. Let's do a triangle for the chest fluff. And 2 rectangles where the legs will go. And then let's do smaller rectangles for the feet. He needs a line for his tummy. Make 2 triangles for the back legs. Two little rectangles for the back feet. And now we get to use a pen. We can ink in the parts we want to keep so that we can erase the parts we don't need after. Let's start by inking the eyes. I'm making my ears wavy because my dog's ears are wavy. We need the line on top of his head to connect his ears together. Then we'll do the diagonal line from connecting the snout and the left line of his snout square. Then we'll add a little semicircle to the lips so that you can see where his mouth opens. And we'll swoop that around and connect it to his ear. Do a bit of a triangle shape at the bottom of the nose. And a line for the bottom lip. I'm making his chest floof wavy because my dog has wavy chest floofs. Then we'll do 2 lines for the leg and a rounded rectangle for the foot. On the other side, we'll do another 2 lines and another rounded rectangle for the other foot. Let's not forget his tummy line. Now for the legs, we won't quite start at the bottom of the triangles, and we'll round them out a bit. We're going to round the feet too. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Another rounded triangle. And another rounded rectangle. Now we can erase the pencil. Here comes the fun part. Coloring. I'm coloring mine like my dog. But you can color yours any way you'd like. My dog's name is Chef. What's your dog's name? That's a really good name. I bet they're a very cute dog. Chef's a really good dog, but sometimes he can get a bit stinky. That's okay, because I'll always love him no matter how stinky he is. Why don't you tell me something interesting about your dog in the comments? I hope you had fun drawing with me. Like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so we can do it again sometime. I'm also going to add some little hearts because my dog is the very best boy.